Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. In the world of large sports sedans, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla makes a striking entrance, blending high-performance capabilities with the practicality and reliability that Toyota is renowned for. As the latest addition to Toyota's Gazoo racing lineup, the GR Corolla represents a significant leap forward in the brand's pursuit of dynamic driving experiences. Powering the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla is a potent turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 257 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, the GR Corolla offers exhilarating acceleration and precise gear shifts. The front-wheel drive configuration ensures agile handling and responsive steering, making it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. The GR Corolla's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Toyota's sport-tuned suspension and limited-slip differential provide exceptional cornering capabilities and precise control, while the GR Corolla's lightweight construction ensures nimble handling and spirited performance. The sedan features high-performance brakes, offering confident stopping power and stability under hard braking. Visually, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla exudes a sporty and aggressive demeanor, with its bold design elements and aerodynamic enhancements. Its exterior features a distinctive front grille with Gazoo racing badging, sleek LED headlights, and a rear spoiler. The GR Corolla rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to customize the GR Corolla's appearance according to their preferences, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the GR Corolla offers a driver-focused environment with a range of comfort and convenience features. The interior boasts sports seats with bolstered side support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals. The GR Corolla is equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. The sedan comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla offers a compelling combination of performance, practicality, and reliability in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and stylish design, the GR Corolla promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike.